Well, it's Thanksgiving Day, and as you can sort of see, I have a white Toyota in my yard. It's Larry's girlfriend's car. She broke down last weekend, and he was out of town. So I went ahead and ran up there and towed it back here for him with Old Blue. And he's going to come over today, and we're going to take a look at it and see if we can figure out at least why it's not running. It won't start. Cranks over okay, but it just won't start. So let's get Old Blue out of the way here so we can push that sucker into the garage, and then maybe when Larry shows up, we'll see what's wrong with it. Come on, Old Blue, you can do it. Oh, it's a good truck. A little bit of smoke out of the back, but she's alright. Alright, it's warm enough. Let's get this pig out of the way. There's that white piece of junk. It's actually not that bad of a little car. It would run. Alright, that should be out of the way. Now we just wait for Larry to get here and push that sucker into the garage. Didn't even want to wait for me to turn it off. Well, Larry came over and we looked at this this little thing, and we figured out a couple of things, and we have an idea about what's wrong with it. Didn't really dig into it too much, but what we did is we pulled one of the plugs and we looked at it, cranked her over, figured out we had pulled number one plug there and we had no spark, which was obvious right away, and then did a compression test. We had no compression there, and when we found that, we decided to pull the rotor cap off and look at it, and of course the rotor wasn't spinning. So we're thinking we may have lost the timing belt. We haven't really torn into it to look, but the thing had no oil in it, no coolant in it when she was running it, so we don't know if the timing belt broke, maybe because it was old, or if the sucker ran out of oil and maybe the cam locked up or something and snapped it. We don't know, but I kind of had that sneaking suspicion that it was something with the timing belt, cam, whatever, when I first heard it. Because if you listen to it, you can hear it doesn't turn over right. It turns over way too fast. I don't know how well you could hear that, but you can tell it ain't trying to fire. And, you know, he's going to either have to put a new motor in it, which I haven't looked, so I don't know if this is an interference engine or not. But if it is and that timing belt broke, you're just asking for trouble. Plus, there's all sorts of other little issues with it, so I'm not sure what he's going to do, but it's going to sit here until either he hauls it away or figures it out and we do an engine swap or timing belt or whatever we're going to do. So that is the Toyota GTS, I think. Let's look at the back. Toyota GT. I don't know why I was thinking GTS. Whatever. Toyota GT 1990 with what we were thinking is a busted timing belt for one reason or another.